I am making tomato sauce for pupusas. So I have 4 tomatoes, just a chunk of onion, maybe a quarter, half a green pepper, and a garlic. I'm going to fill the pot with water and boil it until the tomatoes skin breaks. And then we're going to blend them in the blender with some cilantro. I have the pot filled up now with water, probably a little more water than I needed, but I'll just let them boil for a while here, and once the skin breaks, I'll let them cool. And then once they're cooled, we'll put in the skin on the tomatoes has started to break, so I'm going to stop now. And I'll drain out the water just so they cool down a little faster. And once they're cooled, I'm going to peel the skin off the tomatoes and we'll blend. The veggies have been boiled and I peeled the skins off the tomatoes, and now I'm going to throw them in the blender. Just throw everything in there and blend it up. I'm going to put in a little bit of cilantro also. I have a bunch of cilantro here to add, just, you know, a little handful. You can put more or less if you like more or less, or leave it out. I know a lot of people don't like cilantro at all. And then some salt. I don't know, however much you want. My family loves salt, so they'll probably add salt to it. I could probably just leave the salt out, but I'll put that in, and then we're going to blend it, and it should be all done. It's all done now. It's kind of green, this batch. I don't know, maybe I have a little more bell pepper or cilantro or something in there. It's usually a little bit redder. Maybe once it settles, it'll be a little redder too, but it's ready to go. I'm just going to put it in the fridge to cool. Sorry if you can hear my dishwasher running in the background. But yeah, it's done now. I just blended it regular, and it's ready.